All right, so welcome to LT Spice, your gateway to design electronics hardware. So first question is, we want to understand what is an LT Spice. So here is the definition is basically a freely distributed physical circuit simulation software. It is supplied by the company Analog Devices. And the question here, what can you do with it? So we can design a variety of electronic circuits and perform simulations to understand their behavior, and therefore we can design those circuits. What kind of analysis it can do? First is DC analysis, it can do AC analysis, it can do noise analysis, it can do transient analysis, and it can also help us measure the electrical quantities such as voltage, current into the circuit. So we'll see through the demonstration how we can design simple circuits to medium level circuits and advanced circuits and perform these kind of simulations to understand their DC behavior, AC behavior, time domain behavior, etc. and be able to design from simple to large electronic circuits.